Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your username and password on Spotify. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this. So the first thing you want to do is open your Spotify app, and you want to go to the top left corner of your screen at your profile picture, and you want to click on settings and privacy. Then you want to click on account. And right here you will see your username. It's just a random string of letters, and that's basically your username. Then in order to see your password, it's quite hard to actually see your password. However, what you can actually do is head over into settings, just like this on your iPhone. You want to then scroll down until you find password, and then you want to simply type in Spotify, just like this. And then you will most likely see Spotify pop up, just like you guys can see right here, and then you will be able to see your password. Now, in case of you using an Android, or if you have not saved your password, then what I would recommend doing is trying to log in through for Spotify through your browser. And then when you type in your password a few times wrong, it will say that you can reset your password. And as long as you have access to your email, you will be able to reset your password. And then you will basically be able to just view your password after you reset it a new password. So that's how you can find your username and password on Spotify. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.